Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is UK selects industry partners to develop Project NYX autonomous drones for future Apache helicopter operations. According to a press release from the UK Ministry of Defence, a program to develop futuristic helicopter drones, designed to operate alongside Apache attack helicopters, has moved into its next phase. British-based companies have been selected to develop prototype designs under Project NYX, marking progress in the UK's shift towards uncrewed and autonomous warfare. Project NYX is an initiative to develop uncrewed air systems, capable of operating as loyal wingmen to crewed Apache helicopters in future conflicts. These drones are intended to support complex missions including reconnaissance, surveillance in contested environments, strike operations, target acquisition, and electronic warfare. The Ministry of Defense says the program supports the Strategic Defense Review by pivoting towards a new way of war that increasingly relies on autonomous and uncrewed capabilities. The drones will operate on a command rather than control model, using artificial intelligence to make independent decisions within defined mission parameters. Minister for Defence Readiness and Industry Luke Pollard said, "These drones of the future will make the British Army more effective and lethal by enhancing our ability to strike, survive, and win on the battlefield." He added, Project NYX represents the cutting edge of the defence industrial strategy, working with leading British industry partners to ensure the UK remains at the forefront of autonomous military technology. 7 companies have been invited to submit designs following a pre-qualification phase that concluded in late 2025, with the ministry stating the process supports British industry and economic growth. The shortlisted partners are Anduril, BAE Systems, Leonardo, Lockheed Martin UK, Sios, Techiver, and Thales. In March 2026, the competition will be narrowed to 4 suppliers who will be awarded research and development contracts to produce a concept demonstrator. Initial operational capability for the Project NYX drones is currently targeted for 2030. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.